Good day, everybody. Welcome back. I am fixing things today. Actually, it's Sunday afternoon already, and I wasted half a day because I've been in so much pain. So I hate it because I like doing things, and Sunday, especially a beautiful day like today, except for the wind, I like to get things done, but you can only do what you can do. And finally the painkillers kicked in a little bit so now I can do something. And I've been looking through my artwork, and there's so many paintings that I need to fix, and I hate throwing things out, so I won't be doing that, and I wouldn't encourage any of you to do that. Just fix them. So what I've got here is I've got some metallic paste here. These are not available in the shop just yet, but soon they will be, and it's a gorgeous color, if you can see that. Of course I can't see where I'm showing. Oh, yeah. So I'm just putting a little drop in there. 10% is plenty. This wasn't even 5%, but I'll see if that's going to be enough. And I've got these tiny little bamboo Chinese fork things that you can get in a $2 shop, and I find them pretty cool for these little shot cups, because you know you can mix really well and they sit in there beautifully. So this is nice and transparent. I think I want to add a little bit more of this pigment in there to make it more opaque. Get in there, because I don't want it to touch the resin, so I don't want to contaminate this this stick, so I can use it again. The resin that I'm using today is called Mad Artist Resin, and MAD stands for Melbourne Art Direct, and I've tried it a few times and I really like it, so I will be stocking this resin in my store, that's for sure. So that mixed beautifully. Let me just go and check and see why my little dog is carrying on. Okay, that's sorted out. She just wanted to go down the stairs, and she's so old now and she has trouble getting down the stairs. So I've got a little bit of this molten gold. I'm only putting in that much right in there, and see how that, you only need a tiny little bit, literally, and that's mixed. You can add more if you want, but you don't have to. And I also wanted to use some of this ultra fine glitter. This is holographic glitter. It's called, well, I called it, is that the right one? Yes, it is. I call it the silver hologram. So I'm just going to put it straight into my cup, like so. And notice I used the other side so that I can go back and get some more. So I'm mixing that in together with my resin, and it mixes well. Just trying to get it to drop down the bottom. It seems to be sitting on top. Okay, so that's good. That's a holographic one. So what I want to do is, I haven't put anything on here. Maybe I should put a little bit of clear just to help it move, just on the edges. And I want to do a puddle pour and see how it works with the glitter. Well, I just want to see what the glitter will do in between the layers. Okay, and when I've done that, then I'm gonna get on to my bigger painting. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna start first with this metallic pink right in there, and then go in with the gold, actually go in with the holographic. Oh, that's cool. Then go in with the gold, and it's pulling over here, so I'll just bring this closer. Oops. Go in with the glitter again, just to see, you know, different options of using glitter. So I'm just using like 2 colors really, and some glitter. The gold sits there and it really separates it. So okay, let's go in with the glitter again. That's really cool. Really cool. So you can create a design like this. You don't have to get it to go all over the place if you don't want to. But I will, because I don't really like this. Which is the reason why. I mean, I don't like the background. Which is the reason why I decided to fix them in the first place. The gold is amazing. Getting some more movement. I don't really want to mess around with it too much. So you can see how cool this would be, just, you know, with some black background maybe. But because I don't have black background, I've got this horrible mix there. I'm just going to do this. Bit of tilting. These are just tiles, which I've done before, and they just needed a bit of a lift, and quite a lift actually, because it looks completely different to the way it was. Don't know if you can see that. We're going to see, I'm really interested to see how this holographic glitter will actually look when it sets. Okay, so that's that. Quite nice. Oh yeah, you can really see that glitter is amazing. Alright, I'm actually going to put in some more in the middle. Probably a little bit of black would be really cool here. Okay, we're going to do something similar on this side here. Let's go with gold. Just going to spread it around like so. Like that. Then I'm going to go in with the pink, right in the middle, and then with this holographic right in the middle again. And then I think I'm just going to, ooh, wow, ooh, that looks cool. That looks cool just like that. Actually, yeah, I might just go around with the gold, get some more gold around here. That looks amazeballs. Even just like that, you know. Simples. And I love going through these things, so let's just do this. see what happens now. Look at that. How cool is that? I like it. Gonna do the same thing over here, I think. Add a little bit more gold maybe over here. And just do that. Okay. I think they look really interesting. Oh, and the drips are just amazing. Okay. Whoops, nearly dropped that. There. So I'm going to leave them now and then see, you know, what this holographic is doing. Looks pretty awesome. Okay, so I will leave it at that, and I will put some photos on the back of this, on the end of this video, so that you guys can see. But I quite like that. It's just really pretty. Not what I thought I was going to do, but it ended up being what it is. So thanks so much for watching, and on to another video, I reckon. Bye for now.